Tonight, a Woodland Park ministry that violated state pandemic safety guidelines at 5 separate events now says it will follow the rules at its in-person conference beginning tomorrow.
KRDO News Channel 13 investigative reporter Chelsea Brensel has been following the back-and-forth saga for the legal battle since the beginning. She joins us live outside the El Paso County Courthouse now, where the judge issued that order. Chelsea.
4th Judicial District Judge David Prince wrote in a 16-page order that Andrew Wommack Ministries has been deceptive in its dealings with state and Teller County public health officials to avoid compliance with COVID-19 health guidelines. Tonight, the ministry says while following the rules tomorrow, they're also working to appeal the new order. After violating state public health orders 5 times since July, a new tune on Wednesday from Andrew Wommack Ministries in Woodland Park.
Andrew Wommack Ministries will impose the 175-person cap, even though it has a 3,100-seat sanctuary. At this conference, all attendees will be required to wear masks.
Teller County Administrator Cheryl Decker tells 13 Investigates she is pleased with the judge's decision and that the ministry is signaling it will comply as COVID-19 cases continue to rise.
It's good news for our community. Anybody and everybody that's going to comply and understand that we're all in this together, it's good news.
Andrew Wommack Ministries has also canceled a December in-person musical production. It will now be broadcast instead. Attorneys for the ministry say that decision is not connected to the judge's order. The ministry says the legal battle is not over. They will appeal the judge's most recent order in hopes it will be overturned for more conferences planned in March.
Andrew Wommack Ministries wants to be safe. It wants to provide a safe location for its conference attendees, and it wants to keep the surrounding community safe. It just doesn't make sense to have this arbitrary number imposed when they have a room that's big enough to hold everyone and still observe all of the safety protocols.
Teller County is prepared for an appeal and says it will continue to protect public health during the pandemic.
This is not an easy thing to enforce, and a lot of us have had to make a lot of sacrifices. And the Board of County Commissioners and the Board of Health recognize that, and we are working with everyone that we can to make the community as safe as possible.
Public health officials are still investigating an apparent COVID-19 outbreak from Andrew Wommack Ministries events in September and October. So far, health officials say they've linked 13 positive cases and 30 more probable cases to those events. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Chelsea Brensel, 13 Investigates.